Sometimes you need to process an Excel file but you don't have MS Office to open it. Instead of resorting to Microsoft Suite alternatives, such as LibreOffice or Google Docs or online converters, you can use our XLSX add-on, which allows performing some actions on spreadsheet data without having Excel installed. So enable the add-on in the add-ons panel and try it. I've already have it enabled. So let's try it. The following script is a simple XLSX to CSV file converter to show the idea of the add-on. The robot will download a sample Excel spreadsheet file excel.xlsx to a user desktop, then we'll open it with the xlsx open command and start processing. Row by row, the for loop of the row number variable, and cell by cell in each row, the for loop with the column number variable. The robot reads the values with the xlsx getValue command and adds them to the already read ones, putting a comma at the end of the new data. Value equal value and result. When a full row is read, the column number variable in the for loop reaches 7. The new line special variable is added to the comma separated values of the row. Value equal value and new line, making a new line for the values that will be read from the next row. After all rows were read, the content of the value variable is written to an output CSV file on the desktop. So let's open excel.xlsx. These are the data. And now output CSV. And it's the same.